you are preparing for any exam, you know how crucial vocabulary is. So let us explore some ways to improve your vocabulary. Commence. To begin or start. The function will commence with prayers. Contravene. To infringe or break rules. People who contravene the traffic rules will be fined. It all means breaking any kind of rule. Let's look at the next word. It's deadlock, a state in which progress is impossible. Peace talks have reached a deadlock. Deadlock means it cannot go further as it has reached a deadlock. Veracity means truthfulness. We question the veracity of his statements. It means that we have questioned the truthfulness of that person's statements, whatever he has said. So veracity is related to truth, truthfulness. Let us look at the next word, defray, to pay for. His father will defray for the expenses, means his father will pay for the expenses, or his father will defray his tuition fees. We can say that means he will pay for it. Dote, to show excessive love. They dote upon their only daughter. It means that they love their daughter. We can say that they dote upon their son. Shows that they love their son. Ensue, to happen afterwards or as a result, means anything which follows, like new economic reforms came up after the COVID-19. Enticing means to persuade people, like the offer was so inciting, or the sales which was there in the market was very enticing as it tempted everyone to buy products. Apparent, obvious or evident. It was apparent that the manager disliked him, means it was so obvious or it was so evident that the manager disliked him. Epitome is a perfect example of something. If we say that she is an epitome of kindness, it means that she represents kindness and she is a very big example of kindness. We can say that that person is at, exclusive, hard to define. He was searching for an exclusive job offer, means a job offer which is difficult to define. Milieu means surroundings. If we say that he grew up in a military milieu, it means that he grew up in a military background. So surrounding is related to background. Let us look at the next word, and the word is culpable, deserving blame. She was held culpable for the accident, means the blame of the accident came on her, as she was held culpable for the accident. Let's look at the next word, that's meek, which means humble. The quiet boy is very meek, means he is very humble. Or we can say that the quiet girl is very meek, means she is very humble and she is very submissive. Next word is refrain, means keep from doing. I was going to make a joke, but I refrained from it, means I stopped myself from telling that joke. Populous means full of people. We can say influenza spreads quickly in populous area, and we have experienced that even COVID spreads quickly in populous or highly populated areas. So that could be the word. Let us look at the next word. The word is rite and it means ceremony. The funeral rites were performed according to the Hindu customs, or we can say that the marriage rites were performed according to the Sikh customs. Perverse means contrary. Jack was being perverse and refusing to agree with anything, means he was behaving in a quite contrary or opposite way, which was not expected of him. Catastrophic is the next word, means causing sudden great damage. The water shortage in the country is catastrophic. We can even talk about floods, earthquakes, hurricanes causing catastrophic damage. Very means being careful. The store owner kept a very eye on him, means he was very careful, he was quite vigilant about it. So when you talk about the word, the next word is ubiquitous, means existing everywhere. The cell phone that's almost ubiquitous customer electronic appliances is about to enter a new age, means we can find cell phones almost everywhere. So it is ubiquitous. Curb means to control. When we say that he must learn to curb his temper, means he must learn to control his temper. We can say he must learn to curb his anger. Next word is potent, having a strong and powerful effect. He felt that he was no longer potent, means he felt that he was no longer powerful. Next word is indolent, means idle or lazy. They were too indolent when it was hot, means they were too lazy when it was hot. Excessive heat makes us feel lazy and hence indolent. Next word is foresee, to foresee or know beforehand. He did not foresee any problems, means he did not expect any problems to occur. He could foresee it beforehand, before the future actually, the things actually happen. Ramifications means consequences. We all suffer from economic ramifications of COVID-19. Ramifications generally relates to results or consequences. Malgin means defame or speak evil of. Either the managers have malgined, it means that they have spoken evil of. Vulnerable means weak or without protection. Children are vulnerable to teasing. So children feel weak when they are teased by other people. So vulnerable is weak. Next is malice, desire to hurt others. He was motivated by malice. Malice is desire to hurt others. He was motivated by malice when he set out to harass his ex-wife. Means he was having the desire to hurt his ex-wife. Malice is related to hurting others. Onus is responsibility. The onus is on employers to protect their workers, means it is the responsibility of the employers to protect their workers. So remember children, onus means responsibility.